Today we are going to study about Panchaunle, whose scientific name is Dactylorhiza hatagirea. It belongs to the family Orchidaceae, and the part which is used for medicinal purposes is rhizome. Panchaunle, also known as Dactylorhiza hatagirea, is a terrestrial perennial herb which attains a height of 20 to 25 cm. Its rhizomes are slightly flattened, palmately divided into 3 to 5 finger-like lobes. Its leaves are 4 to 6 in number. Its leaf is cauline, and the leaf blade varies from oblong to linear. Its inflorescence is raceme with purple flowers. Now we are going to study about its distribution. This attractive terrestrial orchid grows in damp pastures of Himalayas of Nepal, India, Bhutan, etc. They are distributed from 2500 to 5000 meters above sea level. These plants grow in the alpine climate of central and western Himalayas, where average summer temperature range between 15 degrees Celsius to 18 degrees Celsius and winter temperature are below the freezing point. The plants can be propagated by both seeds and rhizomes or tubers. This plant has many medicinal values and uses. The plant is well known for the medicinal value, quite common in traditional medicinal practices. The juice extracted from tuber is used as tonic. It is used to treat cuts, wounds, cough and anemia. It is also used in treatment of dental problems. The paste of rhizome is used in indigestion, dysentery, diarrhea, stomachache, etc. It is also useful to solve sterility problems. Young leaves and shoots are eaten as vegetables as well as hair tonic. Now we are going to study about harvesting and post-harvesting techniques of Dactylorhiza hatagirea. For sustainable harvesting, collection of rhizome is done only after flowering of plants. After collection of mother plant, piece of rhizome should be left in the soil. The harvesting period is between September to November. After seed ripening and dispersal, the collection of plants should be done by rotational method from their natural habitat. After harvesting, rhizomes are properly cleaned and dried for some days. Then the dried rhizomes are packed in air and waterproof containers. Then the materials are transported to the markets. Now we are going to study about trade issues related to Dactylorhiza hatagirea. It is slow growing and poorly regenerating orchid. It has been categorized as critically endangered and rare species. Unsustainable harvesting is major conservation issue, followed by lack of awareness and illegal trading. The demand is very high as compared to the yield in the national and international market. The trade channel of Dactylorhiza hatagirea looks like this. The local people harvest the plants from wild, then the rhizomes are cleaned and dried up in shade. Then they sell the rhizomes to the local traders in the local market. They sell to the regional traders. Then the rhizomes are transported to India and Tibet, and different products are manufactured from the rhizomes and they are supplied to the consumers.